Hello, YouTube. This is Marshall Dion, and just wanted to say Happy New Year, even though it's like the 6th of January. But I just wanted to show you guys something here real quick for a little quickie update. This is my bird here. I had him for a long time. He's a cockatiel. His name is Noggy. I know it's kind of weird because I named him after eggnog. Well, anyways. Say hello! Say hello, Noggy! Say hello! He can talk. What is it? Huh? Huh? What? Maybe if I get up. What? Yeah, you're a pretty bird. Yeah. Yes, you're a pretty bird. Yeah, that's pretty much what he could say. You realize this is all being recorded, you know? It's all being recorded on that computer right there. It's all being recorded. Yeah, and this guy, yeah, and he can also whistle too. Like this. He kind of whistle like that if you get him to whistle, you know. Yeah, he climbs out to the corners of the cage just so he could talk to me. See? Come on. Whistle. Whistle. Oh, I'm trying to whistle to him, all he does is squawk. He just kind of squawks it. Okay. Yeah. Sorry about that little editing I had to do there. Apparently I kept trying to get Noggy here to whistle, but he couldn't do anything about it, so... Oh. Huh. Looks like he's going to the corner or something. Hey, Noggy. Now can you whistle my achy breaky heart, or whistle? You know. He's not used to being up here. I just brought him up here temporarily because my mom is putting some Christmas decoration stuff away downstairs and don't want him getting in the way. Noggy, just sing my achy breaky heart. Come on, sing it for the people here on YouTube. Yeah, I know I can't whistle for him. Sit. Now he's staring at himself in the mirror. Yeah, when I try to whistle. Okay, yeah. Okay, Nagi, you can stop. Good boy. Good job. Yeah. Okay. I'll probably just keep talking while he's doing that. Eventually he'll stop. Anyways, there's more about this bird than what you would know. Apparently, every time I leave the room, every time I leave his sight, he starts squawking like crazy, and he drives everyone in my house, completely insane. He drives them crazy with his squawking. He even drives my brother nuts on a daily basis. Now I'm gonna leave my room, and he's gonna start squawking. All right. Now you see what I mean. See, he does this every time I leave his sight. Apparently, it's because because apparently he's attached to me. You know? In fact, there's one person he does not like in this house, and that's my mother. The reason why? Well, there was this one time his talons got stuck onto my back one time, and my mom had to pull him out. And he thought my mom was hurting him, which is why she now hates my mom to this day. I mean, seriously. Whenever my mom gets in front of him, he'll be out for blood. This bird has been here for over 10 years. He's like 16, so I'm not sure how much time he'll have left, but apparently as long as I'm here, sorry, as long as I'm still here, apparently that bird will never die. But believe it or not, I used to have another bird in this house named Lou. He was a parakeet, and apparently he taught Nagi how to whistle, and Nagi taught Lou how to talk. So, right, I forgot it's actually being recorded. Well, how'd you like it, Nagi? You finally being on YouTube? Well, I'm gonna sign out for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this little pet video. I also gonna be posting a picture of me and my bird on Facebook soon. It's gonna also be on my Facebook page, so just look forward for more videos, okay? This is Marshall Leon signing out.